Morning students, further we will study about the antheridia or the globule in Chara. The internally structure of mature antheridium, it consists of large macroscopic spherical yellow or red structure. It is well made up of 8 cells which are called the sealed cell. The outer wall of the sealed cell has many infoldings which form various types of ornamentation on the surface. A rod shaped cylindrical cells arise from the center of the each seal, which is known as manubrium. At the distal end of each manubrium, there is one or more small spherical or globose cell which are called primary capitulum cell. The cells are in direct contact of the manubrium. There is one also a row of second row of capitulum cell known as the secondary capitulum. Each secondary capitulum cell bear 2 to 4 long unbranched antheridial filament or spermatogenous filament at its tip. Each filament has 25 to 250 cells and each cell form an antherozoids. Thus, each antheridium produces 20,000 to 50,000 antherozoids. The development of antheridium or the globule. Globules developed at the node of the branches of limited growth. A peripheral adaxial cell of the node which function as the antheridial initial divide transversely into a basal pedicel cell and a terminal antheridial mother cell. The pedicel cell does not divide further and form a small stalk pedicle in the mature antheridium. The antheridial mother cell enlarge in size and then divide by 2 vertical divisions to form a quadrant. Each of these 4 cells divide by transverse wall and thus an 8 are formed. This stage is known as the octane stage. Each cell of the octane divide periclinally, as a result of which 2 layers of 8 cells each are formed. The cell of the inner or outer layer again divide periclinally. In this way, 3 radial layers of 8 cells each are formed. The cell of the outer layer enlarge and transform into 8 sealed cells. The cell of the middle layer elongate towards the center of the antheridium and eventually form 8 rod-shaped manubrial cell. The cell of the inner layer present at the distal end of the manubrium cell form the primary capitulum cell. Each primary capitulum cell divides to form 6 secondary capitulum cells. Sometimes the secondary capitulum cell may divide again to form tertiary capitulum cell. Each ultimate capitulum cell divide repeatedly to form 2 to 4 long multicellular thread-like filament known as the antheridial filament or spermatogenous filament. As the antheridial filament has up to 250 uninucleated cell, the cell of the antheridial filament function as a sperm mother cell. The protoplast of the sperm mother cell get metamorphosis into a single spirally coiled biflagellate antherozoids. The process of antherozoid development is known as spermatogenesis. Liberation of antherozoid at maturity, the sealed cell of the antheridium separate from each other and the sperm mother cell gelatinize in water each other, exposing the antheridial filament. The sperm mother cell gelatinize in water and the antherozoids are liberated in the water. Thank you.